Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil Institute for IELTS. I will talk about identifying how words relate to each other. Understanding how words relate to each other within the structure of a text will help you identifying meaning and decide which words are important. You may understand the overall meaning of a sentence or text, but not specific words or examples of what is being discussed or vice versa. Words can be divided into the categories like content words and grammar words. Content words are words that give information. They may be nouns, for example, dog, for example, concept, verbs to act, to go, and adjectives awake, considerable, or adverbs like very, unusually, like content words may form a group of words. If I talk about grammar words are words that show grammatical structure and indicate how other words in a sentence relate to one another. They can be helpful for understanding meaning, but they do not directly give information themselves. They may include prepositions, for example, up, for example, under, pronoun, he, her, determines, and articles, some, may, few, they, the, a, and auxiliary verbs is, are, have, meaning, and work out which words are important to learn, to know. It's also helpful to understand the relationship between the words. Words can relate to each other in several different ways, including class, else subclass, whole part, collocations. Is it? Thank you so much.